Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, you are going to learn how to fix Instagram you can't leave likes for 3 days error. Many users have reported about this error, thus, if you are one such user, then this video will surely help you in fixing it. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now, let's move on to know the fixes for how to remove Instagram you can't leave likes for 3 days error on Android. Solution 1. Wait. Do nothing for 3 days. When you face this error, the best thing to do is nothing. Don't perform any activity on the app for 3 days. This will gradually resolve you can't leave likes for 3 days error. Solution 2. Use Instagram Web. If you don't want to wait or prefer a faster resolution, you can use the web version of Instagram to like posts. For this, you have to launch a web browser on your system and go to Instagram.com. Log into your Instagram account if you have not already. Attempt to like a post to check if the error persists. Solution 3. Use a different account. You can also use your other account to like posts on the platform. To switch accounts, follow these steps: open the Instagram app and go to your profile page. Select your username at the top. Choose the account to which you want to switch. Solution 4. Use Instagram Lite version. You can even download the Lite version of Instagram on your phone to fix you can't leave likes for 3 days error. Many users have solved this error by using the Lite version of the app instead of using the main Instagram app. To do this, you have to open the Play Store on your device. Type Instagram Lite in the search box and hit enter. On the app page, tap on the install button to download the application. Now, log in with the same account and try liking a post. Solution 5. Report a problem to Instagram. If, even after 3 days, you are not allowed to like posts on Instagram, or if you are confident that you haven't done anything that violates Instagram community guidelines, you can report the matter to Instagram. To report a problem to Instagram, you have go to the Instagram settings. Scroll down and tap on Help. Choose Report a Problem, then describe the error you're experiencing and submit the report. So, this is all about fixing Instagram you can't leave likes for 3 days. I hope these solutions will help you in resolving the error. If you found this video useful, then give it a like, subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.